everyone, and thanks for joining me today. I just thought I would pop on and say hi. I haven't been on camera as in my face all week, only because I've just had a few days not feeling too great with my silly illness, so nothing else. So don't worry, I'm all good. I've still been doing lucky enough, I had some videos that I had already done that were on hold just in case, so that I could still keep you all busy. We did the pick a mix challenge, which was fantastic, and I will be adding photos onto the end of this video from Judith, and also Christine sent photos of their projects, and I also know that Liz and Joanne have took part as well this week, so I'm sure Joanne will send the photos, but I think Liz doesn't have the ability to do that, as in, you know, the means to do that. So, but it's still lovely that you're all taking part. We've had a lot of fun actually, and I have been pottering around my craft room and going through things, so I do have some more things to add into this, because, you know, like I've got loads and loads of stamps. I've got wooden stamps, rubber stamps, vintage stamps. So I thought I might put categories, so that would then entice me more to, because like if you just pull out stamps, I'm going to go straight to the vintage. So I'm trying to be different. I'm going to do Tim Holtz things as well. I also found, what else was it? I found lots of things yesterday which I need to put down on my list. Yeah, so that's one thing I've been doing. I also wanted to say hello to Sue Greenwell, Goddess World, Metal Scrapping Chick, and Simply Beth. Hi, thanks for joining me. Thanks for being my subscribers. Thanks to everybody, and hi to everybody. Tracy Kelly has been busy reorganizing her dies, as she is making a baby book for her niece who's expecting a baby. So that's 2 babies that we've got expecting, because our lovely Sue Harvey is expecting, and she is 24 weeks. So by my calculations, she has 16 weeks left. So I didn't even know. She kept that one really quiet. So she is busy preparing for baby as well. Oh, it's all right. I had Judith's things. I don't know if I added Judith's things for the pick and mix. No, I've got to add Judith's things. Judith sent me her list of things, which were envelopes, ribbon, playing cards, beads, and Tim Holtz dies. And I saw what she made with them. They were gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I'll have my questions and answers tomorrow. I'll probably do them tomorrow as well, because I do have a couple of questions. So if you have any questions and answers, then please let me know what the question is, and I can answer them tomorrow with my questions and answers. Also, it's quite funny, because if you saw the Daphne's diary flip through, firstly I just have to let you know that you can use that Daphne's diary for your own use, but you can't use it in journals that you're going to sell. I didn't know that, so I'm just adding that in now. And also there was a section about eggs, and Judith McPherson told me that she is a poached egg, so that was quite fun as well. So we'll have questions and answers tomorrow. I'm probably going to do a I've got a craft video coming up today anyway. I'm not going to do a live video today, because I've also been sorting out things in the conservatory. And just, you know, God, I tell you, I've been making more of a mess than tidying up. But hopefully we'll get there in the end. I've just, you know, Charmin's filled up his van with stuff to take and skip tomorrow, so I have been very, very good, but it means that I've made a mess in my craft room, because I've been pulling stuff out as well to make room for the things that I found down there. I know, just too much stuff. Oh, I've also, tell you what else I've been doing. I wanted to show you, excuse me, I have been working on an altered book, and this is just an old book, The Secret Garden. And I had altered it, took out some pages, and I've been decorating the pages up so that I can use this for a gratitude journal. So I've got a few more pages to decorate in here. So all I've done is just took an old book, thinned it out, and then glued pages together to make the pages thicker, and then just covered these with collaging. So as you can see, I am nearly done. I've just got a few more pages to do in here, so I might come and do some of these later. I think I've only got like 1, 2, 3, and there's a couple of pages at the front I think I've got left to do as well. I'm going to leave that one, but I've got these 2 to do as well, and these 2. So what's that? 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 pages to do, and then I'll finish this and I can start then using this. I want to use this as a gratitude journal. So that's something I've been working on as well. I do want to pull out my cat journal and do a page in my cat journal. I don't know what, something's making me want to do that, so I'll probably do that this week. We've got the pick and mix tomorrow. Excuse me. I did say that I will pick one of yours to do, which I haven't done. I haven't done that this week, so I will do one for next week, but I need to play catch up with that, that's all. So let me just write in here Judith's things. Where are you, Judith? Right, we've got a pen. So Judith had envelopes, ribbon, playing cards, and Tim Holtz dies. Ooh. Right, so what are my options? So we've got Liz Nixon, who has bird stamp, resin piece, Prima pencils, trim, and stencil. Now, Prima pencils, I'm presuming, are they just like coloured pencils? Because she didn't say watercolour, so I presume they're just coloured pencils. Christine Mortimer picked gesso, postcard, alcohol pens, and a cat and stickers. Oh, that's interesting. And Joanne had fabric, cardstock, envelopes, inks, and embellishments. Oh, which one should I do? Let's have a look. I might go with Christine's this week, so I'm going to pick Christine's. So that's gesso, postcard, alcohol pens, pussycat, and stickers. So I'm going to pick Christine's this week, but I'll be doing it next week, so I just need to play catch up. So that is the pick and mix that I'll be doing, and I'll also be doing the new weekly pick and mix tomorrow. But I hope that you're all well and have been busy. You've all been telling me what you've been up to. I've left a mess on my desk. I've got all my papers over here. I've left it because I'm going to be doing more work. So I keep tidying it away and thinking, what is the point, Chanel? You're just going to get it all out again. So I've got to put these labels away so I don't lose those. But yeah, I've just been doing a few little projects. What else have I done? I'll tell you what else I've been doing. I found a box, a container, and I've put in here some projects that one's finished and that one's finished, but these are all things, that one's finished, that need to be done and decorated and finished. So I'll probably get on and do a few of them this week. Lots of, oh sorry, you weren't in shot then. You know, lots of things that just I've started and didn't finish, so I've been putting them all in to this container. And I thought, you know what, look, these are just pictures from a gardening book onto card, and you know, these will make great journaling cards. Just need to put a little bit of something on them. Lots of book page pockets which I need to decorate, so we should do some of them this week as well. So yeah, that's what I've been doing, and emptying out containers and things. Yeah, so that's it. I need to sort out my stamps this week as well. So we're going to have some organisation videos this week. Some finishing off projects, and I will add another thing to our 25 things to do while we're in isolation. So which one should we do? Let me find my book here. So we've done what ones have I done? Oh, this isn't my book, is it? It's this one. It's in. I have done a couple. I've done organisation and what was the other one I did? Oh, mindful colouring, didn't I? Build your stash. We could maybe do that one. And yeah, we've done organise, rediscover. Yeah, I've got quite a few things here. Book page projects, which we've kind of done. Sort your scraps. Grab your scraps, so make some projects with your scraps. You might do that. I will be doing 1 or 2 from my 25 things to do, so we've got that to do as well this week. But yes, this was just a hello, just to, you know, check in with you and just let you know I'm all right, and just give you an update and show you some photos of the projects that you've been working on this week, so they will follow on from this video. So have a lovely day. I will be back tomorrow to say hi and do the pick and mix, and who knows what else we're going to get up to. So I love you guys loads and loads. Charlie says hi. He is here. I'll just look, he's on the side here as normal. He's going to say hello to you as well. I'm going to say hello to everybody. He would if he could, wouldn't you, baby? Yes, you would. Right, my lovelies, I will see you all very soon. Take care. Bye for now. Oh, don't forget to keep watching, because there'll be some photos coming up. Bye. So these are all lovely projects by the lovely Christine Mortimer. The first things are these little pockets that I did the other day, and they're just beautiful. And then she's done some fabric clusters as well. I've done a video on clusters for these, if you go back on my videos, and also some fabric flips. So not only has she done her crafty pick and mix, she's been busy doing lots and lots of things. Aren't these just gorgeous? Loving the colours, loving the fabrics that she's used there, just beautiful. And here she's made some tags. She has been so busy. Look at the cat there. These are her crafty pick and mix things that she's done, and just lovely. I love these. Very different. They're not, you know, sort of all just one sort of style. I love the way that she has done so many different things. She's been keeping herself very busy. These I especially love. The faith and the grace. Aren't they just stunning with the stamped images there? Lots and lots of hard work, and these beautiful tags. Loving them. Aren't they just gorgeous? That will give me some ideas, because I've chosen Christine's for the crafty pick and mix, so the Subbie one. So look at these beautiful projects that she's been making. She sent me all these photos, and I was like, oh my gosh, you have been so busy. See where she's gessoed that, and they've done postcards. I like that very much. And some lovely stamped images here where she's coloured them in as well. Lots of hard work that she has been doing. Just gorgeous. Loving everything. And these projects here are from the lovely Judith McPherson, and you can see where she's used the playing card here. I love this, with the dragonfly die cuts, and gorgeous images on here. Lovely tag, and this gorgeous envelope that she has used as well, has made. Just beautiful. Loving your projects. Love seeing what you make, and also inspires me and gives me lots of ideas. So thank you so much for sending your photos in, and I hope that you've all enjoyed it. So take care for now. Love you guys lots. Bye bye.